everybody. This is actually my first time doing this. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a diamond painting that I got. I actually ordered it, I think September 19th. I can't remember what day it shipped, but I just got it today. I thought I was supposed to get it on October 4th, but that's the estimate delivery, but I got it today. So I should be getting two in here. Hopefully I do. But I bought them from Hulacan from LA Express. So let's get into it. I'm really nervous because the last what was it? The last Hulacan order that I got, they shorted me white on the white. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that. Sorry, I'm bad at this. There's two canvases in there. The box actually looks not so damaged. There's a hole right there, so hopefully the canvases are good. I don't know if y'all... There's one, which I think this one, oh, it's a 30 by 40, 30 colors. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. And then here's another one that I got. It's a 40 by 30 and it's 35 colors. So let's see what else. Oh, so this is the diamonds for this one, I'm pretty sure. There's lots of pretty colors. It's reds, and I see some loose diamonds in there. Let's see. I know there's more. And then here's this one, and I'm pretty sure it's for that one right there. Number 7. I don't know why it says number 7 on it. And then standard toolkit for both. It has chunk of wax, the tweezers, the pin with a 3-placer. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it looks like that's about it. Oh, and the boat ×2. So and nothing else. Alrighty. I'm gonna do that one first. And set the diamonds. Alrighty. Sorry about that. I had to help my mom. Alright, let me get into this. Throwing scissors. I know there's tape on it. I know there is because it's... There it is. Let me cut it. I know there's certain people, they like to open their canvases so they don't get, what is it, rivers in it, or, but, I mean, hopefully I don't have anything wrong with it. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. Alright. came on a foam roller, which is, I like that. There looks like there's nothing wrong with it. Let me peel back. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Oh, I'm just trying to flatten out the canvas. Paper likes to be stubborn sometimes. Put it on funky. Alrighty. Still kind of funky. I like how Houlihan, I don't know if I'm saying that right, like they'll put their the paper, and they'll cut their paper into 3, which I really like that because it's easier for me to work with. I actually bought a canvas from Paint with Diamonds, I think it was called. I had to actually cut that one myself, which I did not like. Because I'm a horrible cutter. Alright, I'm just trying to flatten out the canvas, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. Oh, it's very beautiful. I wasn't for sure about this, well, these, because I'm picky about what I buy, because I don't know. There's gonna be a lot of confetti right there. Alrighty. Alright, so I have it all flattened out. Let me actually, here, let me show you what it's gonna look like. Gosh, I am so horrible at this. That's what it's gonna look like. And then, let me scooch open a little so y'all can pull this back. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Alrighty. Okay, let me see. I don't know if I can see that. Oh, gosh. I suck at this. I am so sorry. I hope y'all saw that. If not, I'll... I don't know. I'm still new to this, so... Alright, the canvas looks good. I'm probably not gonna do the inventory, like, of the diamonds until later. Oh, I knew I was gonna have a bunch of 310. Yeah, I'll do the inventory later. It is actually a square drill. And then I'm gonna open that one. I don't know if y'all can see that. Sorry about the lighting. It sucks. I think I paid like $20 for these two, which really isn't that bad. Oh gosh, where's the tape? I'm gonna do the inventory for this one for a friend of mine that I'm gonna give this to. I hope y'all can hear me. This tape is being stubborn. Come on. It's gonna make me mad. Not really. But, alright. Let me cut it. Alrighty. And again, this one came on a foam roller, as you can see. And it's also cut into 3 pieces. It actually, like, I mean, it's somewhat flattened itself out. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Oh, goodness. Come on. Let me show y'all. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. I don't know if y'all will be able to see this. Oh. I don't know if y'all saw that very good. I'm actually just using my cell phone to record this. Come on. But that's gonna be beautiful. There's not a lot of confetti in it. Oh, hold on. Put that on crooked. Come on. What did I do wrong? This paper likes to be stubborn. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know. Why is it... Did I... I don't know what I did. I guess that's gonna have to work right now. Oh, that's beautiful. Tape stuck. Let me see if I can hold it up. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me kind of back, because like there's the butterfly, and I think there's 2 flowers. I know Stitcherista has this same one, I think in a smaller size. But that's gonna be beautiful. Kept eyeballing it before I bought it. I just kept eyeballing it, and I was like, oh, that's gonna be beautiful. I don't think this is on correctly. Here, let me see if I can straighten that up. I know I just took all that off, but either that. Come on. Like I said, I'm new to this. I've been fairly new to diamond painting. This is probably my 3rd and 4th diamond painting, so I'm fairly new. Come on. Okay, sorry, I'm back. I had to place the papers down because it just felt like they weren't working for me, so I had to take them all off and replace them. But now it's all good. I will do the inventories later, but that's it for right now. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.